Hi and welcome. Lisa here, introducing Whimsy Stamps Vintage Christmas 4x6 Clear Stamp Set. I love this stamp set. It takes me back to childhood memories of my Christmases at home. So very special. So I hope you'll stick around. I have a few samples I'd love to share with you. For now, let's stamp these images out while I briefly give you some details. This set does include three images: the church, a tree, and a snowman. It also has two sentiments with it as well. Now, I love stamp sets like this because they're perfect for creating your own scenes. Use some masking to create layers with this. Also, they're great with ink blended backgrounds like I've created here. You can run these images through your scan and cut to cut them out and create a stacked scene like I did here with Whimsy Stamps film strip die. Or you can create A2 cards like I did here, simply masking my images and creating that scene with some ink blending and then adding that die cut piece to my A2 card. Let me know what you think about the stamp set in the comments below. And for more information, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group for more inspiration. We would love to have you join us on Instagram and Pinterest. Until next time, please take care.